Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Most of the product posters are fails on the background. This is because most of the times very difficult to find a perfect background or doesn't even exist, and lots of designers are a bit lazy time to time, just use one matching color as a background, and it's actually not bad. But if I turn to image to this one, I think it's much better because the more contrast between the text and the background, also the product and the background, plus the background is already related to the product. So this one is also helping to grab attention. It's also more eye-catching like this, which is also nice, but compared with this, it's not that cool. Of course, this is also not a perfect one. I just try to demonstrate what is the difference between just a solid color and the unique created on your own created background. So in this video, I will teach you how to create your own unique background. But before we start the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section to help me to grow faster in the YouTube. Plus, of course, if you have any Canva related question, I try to answer as soon as possible. But now, let's get started. So, I already added same elements, just doing this one also, to the empty empty page, empty Canva. So the first thing what I did, I just changed the background color to black, but at first I'll show you why. So I just need to copy this element and I just increase the size to fit the whole page. And the next thing is to go to transparency and just reduce the transparency. And now you already see the difference between those two. Here, so if I change the background to black, it's already much better. Plus this one has to be a bit higher, but it might be if it's not black, even can do like a kind of gray is also good. Or if you also want to play with it, also can make some not solid background. So I just scrolling down is gradients one, and actually we can also play some like gradient backgrounds, which is also a nice thing to have it. Yeah, keep it like this 41, I think it's good. As you can already see, that was the original background, which is also nice. But we also can modify if we just put behind something and we start to play with the transparency. And the next thing, I use this teacup. I just also moving to here and removing the background. It's already cool. Now I can try two different things. I just duplicate the page. And where is my teacup? Okay, here. So that was some glitch with Canva. So first, I just reduce the transparency to like 10. Sorry. First, I forgot to do something. Duotone, I just created just still black and white, which looks good already. And I start to copying. Yeah, like this. and copy the whole line and do it again. It already looks good, I think. But what if I'm doing the same, I think, but first I just also doing this duotone like this and duplicate and duplicate and just copy and duplicate to here. Also one more and maybe one more. Yeah, now this one is not needed. Just moving down a bit. Okay. And just try to do one thing. I just move the position, layers, and what if? So this is not that good, I think. But if I increase in the transparency, it's also pretty cool. So we can use both ways. So here in the background, I had the cups with 100% transparency and use the top layer with this one like 70%. I can yeah, 75%. It looks good. Or here I have a transparent layer in the bottom. Just not animate, sorry, position, and I'll need to find this one and maybe increasing transparency a bit better like this. Yeah, like this. And actually I like a bit better this one. This is also nice. There is a the cups are more hidden, but this is also a good one. So we can use both way to create our own nice effect. And then I just need to copy the, I said I need to copy, yes, and also copy to here. Of course, remove the background. Here also remove the background. It increase in the size. Or actually, no. You know what? I will be even more lazy. I just came to here and just copy everything one by one. Then in the end, we can compare which one is better. Plus we need the text. Don't waste time to create again. So this one is amazing, I think. I love really. This is also nice. The mugs or cups are more hidden in the background. This is also a pretty cool one. But this is also, I like it. So both is nice and good. And if I compare with the original one, with this one, of course it's a way better. So it's also looks nice, but still, if I see this, it's already grab my attention faster. This also the something in the background, and also this one is already also nice. Just a bit more hidden cups. So that's some kind of theology inside the designs, which is also important. So not just doing something which looks good. We can do it better with just a few steps. This is a most important things on these designs, when you can grab the attention faster and you can make the poster at 500% better with just a few easy steps. This is amazing. This is just for me, it's actually shocking how we can change a small the designs with small things and get already way better outcome. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. If needed, I can create I will create also a tutorial about your question or request, because I cannot answer everything just in a few words, or time to time it's easier when I also show it in a screen. And please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for different kind of AI tools. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also the links for my TikTok and Instagram pages, where you can find lots of nice, easy, short tutorials about Canva. So please feel free to visit also my TikTok and Instagram pages. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.